Hi, this is Keith Baggy. Welcome to tvlesson.com.
Section 1.4, using Microsoft Office button to ease the search for commands. With the release of the new version of Excel 2007, in addition to the different look of the ribbon, the other thing they've introduced is the Office button, where if you click on it, you'll see that it is pretty much substituted for the original file command, where you would click on it and give you a bunch of commands. It gives you the same thing here, a little bit more advanced, and it gives you a variety of commands for working with your document. Let's say, for example, we're new. Click on new here, and you can pick on a blank worksheet, or you can pick different templates, and if these are not enough, you can even go online to Microsoft to get a template that's more appropriate. The other buttons are opening files. This is when you want to go to a different spot. Now, if you look on the right-hand side, you'll notice that files that have already been accessed pop up as your most recent documents. And the list will grow longer and longer as you move on, work on other worksheets, and eventually roll off the end of the list. So what you want to do is, if you want to make sure that it never rolls off, you have a push pin here. If you click on it, you notice that it goes to green, meaning that it always stays at the top. So that's part of the open command here. Here's where you can save your command, or your worksheet. And down here with the Save As is where you have the ability to save it in the new format by default, or you can move down here, and for people or friends that are using older versions, you can save it in the older format for Excel 97 or 2003. Next command is for printing, and we have new commands here. One was prepare, for preparing your documents for distribution. The send command, where you can take your document and set it up so you can send it directly to another person by email or fax. And the next command here is for distribution purposes, for setting up a worksheet so that you can set it up to be worked on by a group by having it on a server, or setting it up in a workspace so that changes are made to the document and it's protected so that different people going in and out don't erase other people's work. Down here is the close. This is for closing the document as opposed to exiting out Excel, which would be over here. And down here is the Excel Options button, where you can go ahead and change the way you want things to work for that document and for all future documents. So that concludes section 1.4.